So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake iPhone message conversation for you. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser over your device. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser here, all you need to do is just simply go to the website of fake text message. I search for it, I all you need to do is just simply first to open this first website, and here you're gonna give all the details about the text that you want to generate. Even you can change some other details like your battery percentage or everything else in this screenshot, and you can see I can change it accordingly. And once you are satisfied with your all changes, you can directly hit on this option of create image, and your image will be downloaded for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.